Thank you for watching our newest vacation video. We were in Dekle Beach this time, and we really enjoy this area for rest and relaxation and scalloping, of course. And this time the girls got to go on vacation too. You can tell they really loved it. Getting in the water, watching the sunset, and of course, hanging out in the AC. And for a few tips that we've learned. Low tide seems to be the best time to find them. Like late morning to midday has the best light to be able to see them. Scallop nets work wonders, and you can get them if it's a little bit deeper with the nets. You can get them in like all length of sizes. Wiregrass with the moss stuff in it is some of the best places to find them. You can find them in the ribbon grass, but sometimes they're harder to see in that. Once you see them and realize what you're supposed to be looking for, they're easy to find. Oh, and we also snorkel with pool noodles. It makes it a lot easier if you need to adjust or clean your mask off. Clean and cook on our scallops that we did today. And what we got going on here, hon?
Butter. That much butter.
You can use a knife if you'd rather.
Garlic.
About that much garlic. What was that, onion powder?
Salt.
What's that you're using there?
This comes as blackened redfish.
Yum, that's like the best seasoning for everything, not just redfish. How long are you microwaving it for? Just long enough for it to melt? There's a spoon if you need to stir it when you're done. Yum. It's the TV. It smells good. Taste?
Good. Butter ain't melting real fast. Should have bit it off. Should bite it off in smaller sections, I guess.
Yep, we're gonna put 2 in 1.
How about 3?
Or maybe even 3.
3 in 1.
We had a decent day scalloping. of them, but got enough for our supper tonight. Okay, so we've cleaned the scallops and we have put like 3 on most of these. We have butter, garlic, seasoning, and hams with black and red fish season. That's the best part. All kinds of good lusciousness in there. And we're going to put that on the scallop, and then we're going to put them on the grill. So, actually, we're going to put them on the grill first. You want the griddle? Or you got the griddle? Oh, it's already on there. We're going to put them on this brand new griddle that we bought for really cheap from Walmart. And I'll stop it right here. Okay, so now we're finishing up putting these on the grill. Oh, it smells delicious already. Look at that lusciousness. Just enough. So I guess like 2 bites of butter is pretty much perfect. Now we wait. We're probably not very long because scallops don't take real long to cook. Yum, ready to eat. That's what I'm talking about.